Hello again, one more video just to show you how you can add events to your calendar, as you can see on the right hand side. What we'll do is there's a list of options right here on your home page. We'll go ahead and click on calendar. Now, as you can see, I've already populated certain events into my calendar, so that way my students who are added on to the Learn for Life app, they can actually see all of these events. They get reminded of them. So if we go here where it says new event, we'll click on that. Let me go ahead and size this down so you can see. So I'll say, who is it to? Unfortunately, I only am able to put it to my class or to staff or teachers, but for my class, I'll put welcome back from summer break. And then what I will do is I'll put a date. So on the bottom part, it says what date. So I'll say, okay, it's going to be the 2nd. I'll put that it's going to be all day. And then I can request to have an RSVP to the event. I can send a reminder, which will send them a notification. I can put it on repeat. I'm not going to. And then what that'll do, it'll say, do I want to remind them one day before the event or 2 days? So this is automatic that it'll send it. I don't need to send this. This is automatic through the Learn for Life app. They'll do all the heavy lifting for me of reminding students. And then once I'm ready, you'll see that I'll go ahead and post now. So that's for my calendar. My calendar invite. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have other questions, please let me know. All right, thank you so much.